boring. Did your goats unionize and now you have to eat your own lawn? Did your pet octopus not charge your phone? Did DB Cooper jump out of a plane and now no one will take you to prom? I brushed my teeth today. Today we're gonna be making some delicious, fuck, what are we making? Oh yeah, that's right. Well, we're making cookies. We're not making one cookie. We're not making two cookies. We're making 3 cookies. 3.
Oh, wow. That's really disturbing.
Today we're working with all-purpose flour, softened butter, brown sugar, granulated sugar. We also have eggs, pecans, chocolate chips. We also have cornstarch, and of course we have vanilla bean paste. Oh God, I missed you. And we have baking soda. And now it's time to get our WAP on. Wet ass products. First, we're gonna start with some eggies. Whoop. Wet ass products, wet ass products. And we're beating it.
Just beat it, beat it, beat it, beat it, beat it.
Beep, 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 beep.
Beep, 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 beep.
Now it's time to put the butter in, and we want it softened, so make sure you do a lot of gentle parenting. Get in, get in there, get in. No, please, please, I like you. You're a good kid. You just misunderstood a lot. Okay, there we go. All right, good, good. You did your best, and that's all that we ask for. And now we're going to pour this all in there. Blah. Oh dear. Look at this. Clearly I was a bad parent. He's still really hard. I'm fingering my whisk. Don't tell the other one. I keep getting my finger caught in that one. You're clean enough. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Now it's time to sweeten the deal and pour in our granulated sugar. Ooh, so nice. And while we're at it, we're going to pour in our vanilla bean extract. So juicy. My favorite. Vanilla bean paste. We're just gonna mix this up until it's nice and, well, mixed up.
Yeah, no shit, Sherlock.
Yeah, baby, yeah. Now that we have all that mixed up, we are going to mix in our brown sugar. Oh shit, okay. Honestly, like, I just love the smell of brown sugar. I could smell brown sugar any damn day. Anything with brown sugar and vanilla bean paste is gonna be a goddamn win. We're getting there, babies. Just keep scraping the sides.
I like do the cha-cha.
I love it when something that's so delicious as this currently looks like vomit.
What the hell is even that?
In case you haven't noticed, I am using a spatula. Spatula comes from the word spatulus, who was a Roman god who assisted Obi-Wan in the Clone Wars. All right, ladies, you know what this is.
This is Sparta!
Oh God, okay. Look at that. You know what's pretty interesting? This is actually the first time we've used a hand mixer out of all the episodes. Could have had that in the very fucking beginning.
Say what?
This is way easier than f***ing off.
Stop it. Get some help.
And now we're gonna add in our baking soda and our cornstarch. Woo! And back in you go. Oh! So we're gonna put in our flour little bits at a time so we don't piss off the one machine that makes us happy.
Genius. Let's do this.
All right, just a tiny touch of flour, just a little bit. And as per usual, the sound effects are free. Just remember, ladies, this is how you don't turn it on. You just keep rubbing it until it hurts.
Yup!
Sorry. I'm not sorry. Ah! Now we're starting to see chunks.
It's chunk.
That means it's starting to dough up a tiny touch. Now my arm is hurting. You're just standing there, you're not doing anything. You're letting the machine do all the work, but you still get tired for some reason.
It's called the double standard, Bobby.
All the sex jokes are here. They're here to stay. We're getting there, guys. We're getting all this for some delicious cookies. Totally worth it, I promise. Oh, yeah. Oh, get in there. Keep finding pockets of dry.
Nope.
So now we're going to take our dough and we're going to split it into 3 different cookies. So first we're going to do our chocolate. And all we're gonna do is we're gonna take just a big chunk of dough. Get out. Get out of here, cookie. Yeah. And we're gonna put in some chocolate chips. All right. Just gonna mix them in real good. Oh man, we need more chalky chips. More chocolate chips. Fun fact, I hate chocolate.
That's kind of messed up.
No mercy, no mercy, not in this dojo. All right, so now we're going to make little balls. We want them to be nice and small. And now that we've rolled our dough into some balls, we're gonna go ahead and put it in the oven for about 8 to 10 minutes. Ooh. Actually, this really should be on the middle rack, but we're gonna put you on the bottom. See how you fare. There we go. There we go, 8 minutes. We shall check on them. And in the meantime, we're gonna get started on our next batch. So we have our pecans, but we want to do the plain ones next before we add any nuts to this. So that way, in case if any of my friends want to eat any of these, they won't have to worry about nut allergies. So let's go ahead and do the plain ones. And remember, gentlemen, it's always polite to do the nutting last.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
And of course, no cookie is complete until you dip your balls in sugar. Now this might seem strange to some, but we're gonna pull out and then we're gonna come back in. Yes, nice and golden. Tag team, let's go, baby! And now with our remaining dough, we are going to put in our pecans, or pecans, or pecans.
Honey, where I'm from, you don't want to know what a pecan is.
Now we will massage the nuts into the dough. They're very sensitive. Yeah, baby. You like getting your nuts tossed, don't ya? Hoo-hoo! All right. And once your nuts are thoroughly mixed in your dough, we're gonna make balls out of this nutty dough. All right, tag team in, tag team out. Woo! She's nice and golden. She's ready to be eaten. Yeah, baby. Look at that little honeycomb thing we got going on there. Now we're going to put in our nutty balls. Yeah, baby. Then we close you. Then another 10 minutes. Me. What's that I'm doing? Oh, just pulling my nuts out of my oven. Look how sexy that is. So nutty. All right, mother truckers, time to go Cookie Monster on this ass.
Come on, go away!
But before we do, I'm gonna need some help from a little friend of mine. Cheers, mother truckers. So first we're gonna try my least favorite, chocolate chip cookie. Okay, that's actually really good. I don't like chocolate, and I don't like chocolate chip cookies, but this is actually really good. It's nice and chewy, but it's got a crispy outer edge. Holy shit. Mmm. And up next, oh my god, chew harder, chew faster. Straight from the cow's teat.
Milk was a bad choice.
Next up, our pecan. Oh god, yeah, baby. The nuts really do bring out the flavor in this. But then again, I'm also a hoe for pecan, so do with that as you will. Oh, the fuck is on my tits? Ah, it's chocolate! Who put that there? Naturally, I only selected the ugliest of cookies because they're the ones that put out the fastest. Put out the flavor, that is. It's so hard to top and chew. It's just so perfect and chewy inside. I could have this all damn day. All right, well, I'm running out of milk, so I gotta go get some more. Cow's still outside. I rented a cow. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment below, share this with all your friends. But anyway, you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time. Bye. Hey, Bessie. I'm here to rub them teats. Give me them udders. Nom 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 nom.